we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it.
Hi everyone, this is Anshuman Kumar. Welcome to all of you on this channel. Today is 1st January 2022. So wish you all a very happy new year 2022. Last year was good in terms of cycling because I did around 6,000 plus kilometer, around 6,200 kilometer compared to 2020 when I did around 1,800 kilometer. So gradual increase. Did couple of BRMs also, around 4 to 5 BRM 200 kilometer each. So getting an experience of long distance ride also. So one of the thing which came up in the long distance ride is using a light. So whenever we are doing long distance 200 and above, eventually either in the morning or the late night we will have to ride on the road. तो रोड पे जब हम शाम को या रात को राइड कर रहे होते हैं तो उस टाइम पे we will need a light to see the road. And today this video is all about one of the light which I have experienced. I have been using it for last 6 months almost. So it is a well-known brand, Night Rider का brand है, Mako 200. I am sharing all the details with you in this video. So this is a non-chargeable light, which means we have a spare battery which is kept outside, and you can put it inside whenever you want. You can have a rechargeable battery or a normal battery. You can keep spare battery also. So इस वीडियो में मैं आपको सारा डिटेल शेयर करूँगा about this light, how it functions and all. Let's get started. And before we start, request to subscribe to the channel, share your feedback, press the bell icon so that whenever I upload any video, you get a notification. And I will try to share more on product related to cycling, my cycling, some of the events, a bit on camera, photography and related gears. So stay tuned and let's get started.
तो ये है हमारा नाइट राइडर का एक किट, मैको 200 और TL6। मैको 200 ये मेन लाइट है, जो फ्रंट लाइट टू सी थिंग्स, जब आप रात में जा रहे हो डार्क में एंड यू वांट टू सी द रोड, वो है ये मेन लाइट। और पीछे साथ में एक टेल लाइट आती है विच इज़ TL6। इसका क्लैम्प है साथ में विच इज़ क्विक रिलीज क्लैम्प, वी विल सी दिस। और जो टेल लाइट है उसके साथ में भी एक क्विक रिलीज क्लैम्प है। तो दिस इज़ व्हाट कम्स इन द पैकेट। यहाँ पे 200 ल्यूमेन जो मैक्सिमम आउटपुट कैपेसिटी है मेन लाइट की वो मेंशन्ड है। जो पीछे लाइट टेल लाइट की उसकी 25 ल्यूमेन की है वो यहाँ पे मेंशन है। बैक साइड में हम देख सकते हैं नाइट राइड का ब्रांडिंग किया है यहाँ पे मैको 200। ये इसकी जो रनिंग कैपेसिटी है, जो टाइमिंग्स है वो 15 आवर्स टू 60 आवर्स डिपेंडिंग ऑन विच मोड यू यूज़, वो मेंशन है। ये IP64 विच इज़ अ वेरी गुड रेन रेजिस्टेंट एंड डस्ट रेजिस्टेंट। बेसिकली चारों तरफ से, लाइट के चारों तरफ से वाटर से ये रेजिस्टेंस है, नॉट फॉर डिपिंग इट बट फॉर रेन एंड स्प्लैश। एंड इसकी वेट 175 ग्राम्स है मेंशन। देन यहाँ पे जो टाइमिंग्स है तीनों मोड का वो मेंशन है। लो मोड में 100 ल्यूमेन, हाई मोड में 200 ल्यूमेन, फ्लैश इज़ देयर। लो मोड 100 ल्यूमेन, ये 28 to 30 आवर्स इट विल रन। 200 ल्यूमेंस पे ये 15 घंटे तक चलेगा एंड फ्लैश मोड पे ये 60 आवर्स तक चलेगा। जो बैक लाइट है टेल लाइट, यहाँ पे भी अप टू 60 आवर्स का है 25 ल्यूमेन पे। अगर आप इसको बेसिकली फास्ट या फिर फ्लैशिंग मोड में यूज़ करते हो। एंड देन यहाँ पे इसकी भी जो रेन रेजिस्टेंट डस्ट रेजिस्टेंट कैपेसिटी है वो भी IP64 है। इसके साथ में AAA बैटरी लगती है 2 इस लाइट के लिए। तो दोनों लाइट एक्चुअली इट्स एक्सटर्नल बैटरी, यू कैन रिमूव दिस, पुट द बैटरी इन दिस ऑल्सो, यू कैन रिमूव दिस एंड पुट दिस बैटरी। तो मेन पर्पस जो है इस लाइट का इटसेल्फ इज़ फॉर लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस एंड इट इज़ ऑलवेज गुड टू हैव अ बैटरी ऑपरेटेड वन। एक्सटर्नल बैटरी जिसमें लगता है वो हमेशा आपका लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस और लॉन्ग टाइमिंग के लिए यूज़ होगा कंपेयर टू USB चार्जर। तो थोड़ा बल्की है कंपेयर टू एक जो USB चार्जर वाले लाइट्स आते हैं, जैसा कि कैटाई या बाकी लाइट्स का मैंने रिव्यू किया है पहले, तो वो थोड़ा स्लिम स्लीक रहता है। दिस इज़ लिटिल बल्की बिकॉज इसमें बैटरी विल गो इनसाइड। दैट बैटरी यू कैन यूज़ अ चार्जेबल बैटरी और यूज़ एंड थ्रो बैटरी। ऑलवेज गुड टू हैव अ चार्जेबल बैटरी जिसको आप बार बार चार्ज कर सकते हैं और यू कैन यूज़ इट फॉर बोथ। सो दिस इज़ द पैकेट। यहाँ पे कुछ इंस्ट्रक्शंस हैं प्लस बैटरीज़ है, 1 स्पेयर बैटरी दे हैव गिवन, both AA and AAA, 2 pair. So let us open this and see the product. So this is what is in the packet. कुछ instructions manual है which I have already read on site and ये बैटरी है 2 AAA and 2 AA and 2 AAA इसके लिए, और इसके लिए इसका क्लैंप है साथ में। इस लाइट का क्लैंप अटैच्ड है यहाँ पे, वी कैन जस्ट प्रेस इट कम्स आउट वेरी इजी। और ये जो है वो हैंडल बार पे जाएगा हमारे बाइक के, एंड आई विल शो यू दैट। और ये वी कैन कीप इट, तो जब भी हम लाइट को या बाहर कभी पार्क कर रहे हैं अपनी बाइक को, या वी आर गोइंग टू रेस्टोरेंट, इसको हम वी कैन लीव इट ऑन द बाइक और ये रिलीज़ करके इस लाइट को वी कैन टेक इट विद अस बैग में डाल के, सो दैट यू नो नोबडी टेक्स दिस एंटायर सेट एंड ओनली क्विक रिलीज ऑफ नो यूज़ फॉर एनीबडी, सो नोबडी विल टेक दिस। ये अगर आप साथ में लेकर के रेस्टोरेंट में या जब भी आप बाहर पार्क कर रहे हो, यू कैन गो। सो क्वालिटी वाइज प्लास्टिक इज़ गुड। थोड़ा ये बल्की है, यू कैन सी दिस इज़ लिटिल बल्की बिकॉज ऑफ द साइज, बिकॉज दिस बैटरी गोज इनसाइड दिस। और जो USB चार्जेबल लाइट्स आते हैं जैसे कैटाई या वगैरह का आप देखोगे, विच आई हैव रिव्यूड ऑन माई साइट एंड आई विल पुट अ लिंक हेयर, यू कैन सी दैट ऑल्सो। तो USB चार्जिंग जो लाइट्स है वो थोड़ा स्लीक और थोड़ा सा डिफाइंड होता है। ऑब्वियसली दोज आर एक्सपेंसिव बट दोज आर फॉर शॉर्ट टाइम, 2-3 घंटे 4 घंटे के राइड्स के लिए। एंड इसकी अगर आपको लंबा राइड जाना है, काफ़ी लंबा ब्रिवे या कंपटीशन या इस तरह का कुछ आप पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हो जिसमें लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस करना है आपको, देन दिस इज़ मच बेटर ऑप्शन बिकॉज ये बैटरी है और आप बैटरी इसके आप एक्स्ट्रा स्पेयर बैटरी रख सकते हो, रिचार्जेबल बैटरी रख सकते हो, यू कैन रिप्लेस वेन एवर यू नीड। दिस इज़ वेरी ईजी टू ऑपरेट। यू कैन जस्ट, यहाँ पे इंस्ट्रक्शंस है, टर्न टू ओपन, सो यू जस्ट turn it like this and then you can put the battery inside this. So let us put the battery and see. So यहाँ पे will plus sign है और यहाँ पे minus sign है, sorry this will go behind, और वापस हम इसको थोड़ा tilt करके, लिटिल टफ इनिशियली टू प्रेस, थोड़ा टफ है और टाइट है बिकॉज इनिशियली द ग्रिप्स एंड ऑल जो उसमें फिट होता है वो थोड़ा टाइट होता है। ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम व्हेन यू यूज़ इट दिस विल बिकम मच ईजियर। सो यहाँ पे जो ये बटन है, दिस इज़ फॉर स्विच ऑन, स्विच ऑफ एंड मोड चेंज, एक ही बटन से। तो इसको एक बार प्रेस करने से ये स्विच ऑन हो रहा है एंड दिस इज़ हाई मोड। हाई मोड इज़ इसकी जो आउटपुट है वो 200 ल्यूमेन की है एंड इट विल रन फॉर 15 आवर्स एंड विद अ फुल चार्ज बैटरी। और जो इसकी एक बार प्रेस करने पे, दिस इज़ द लो मोड। लो मोड में ये 100 ल्यूमेन का पावर है विच रन्स फॉर अराउंड 28 to 30 आवर्स एज पर स्पेसिफिकेशन। एंड थर्ड इज़ योर फ्लैश मोड, दिस इज़ द फ्लैश मोड। फ्लैश मोड में आपको ये 60 आवर्स का टाइमिंग्स मेंशन है इसके स्पेसिफिकेशंस में। नाउ कमिंग टू द टेल लाइट, इसका डिज़ाइन भी अच्छा है, इट्स गुड। यहाँ पे क्लिप है एक विच यू कैन यूज़ इन द बैक ऑल्सो। आप अपने जर्सी या टी शर्ट जो भी पहन के आप इसे चला रहे हो वहाँ पे ये क्लिप भी कर सकते हैं आप। सो एज अ rather than putting on the seat post in the cycle or bike, you can use it with your t-shirts or bags also. इसके साथ में एक clamp आता है which is also quick release, and now to open you can just open it like this. It has 5 LED lights, 1 2 3 4 5, and again it goes with 2 batteries. So I will put the battery. So यहाँ पे बैटरी डाल दिया मैंने इसमें, और we can just first put on the top and then press the back side. It goes well. यहाँ पे एक बटन है रेड कलर का to press to switch it on. So this is on. We have one light which has little opening in the sense there is little light coming from this side also and this side also. So इसमें इसको 210 डिग्री का व्यू ऐसा स्पेसिफिकेशन में मेंशन है, और जो 3 LED लाइट्स है वो बीच में है, one this side, one this side. So again we have 3 modes here. One is your steady mode. Steady mode is for 6 hours. Then we have fast mode. Fast mode, 1 second, this is your scroll mode. So this is steady, this is your scroll, 1 2 3 1 2 3. It is the light is moving between all lights. And then we have the flash mode or fast mode. So steady light में आपको ये 6 घंटे तक चलेगा, 25 lumen. This is a 25 lumen light. और जो scroll mode है, shifting between lights, ये आपको 30 hours तक it will run. And the last mode which is your flash mode or fast mode, इसमें आपको ये 60 hours तक it will run as per the specification. Again this light is also highly rated in terms of its durability in rain and dust, and it is surrounded from all sides. It is like water or rain proof. Obviously you cannot dip it into the water. It is for splash water or rain water, it is resistance. So finally एक बार हम इसका weight check करेंगे, and we will see. I have this weighing scale. So first we will check for the light. So this is 129-130 gram with battery. If I remove the battery it will be lesser, and as per the card specification it is 175 gram. So basically including clamp. So let me put the clamp also. So again with the clamp, battery and everything, it is showing around 170, 171, 168, 160, 170 grams. So bang on the mark. And let me see the light. So light with battery 51 grams, 48, 51 grams, and with clamp also it is 70 grams. Again as per specification the TL6 light is 70 grams. So it's absolutely bang on the mark with including the battery which is there installed. इसमें जो बैटरी लगाया है उसके साथ. So all put together if we see, this is coming to around 240-250 grams. Complete dark. So you'll see Mako 200 real time test on the road, and let the 2-wheelers go, 4-wheeler go. I'll show you the exact brightness. Maybe visually I'll explain. On the camera I don't know how much you can see, but still. So this is high mode in Mako 200 at 200 lumen. So if you can see, by adjusting light from close to as far as maybe I can see good enough, 20 meters, 30 meters, it can easily go. So from close, from tire, so if you are riding very slow you can keep it here, maybe
the 200 lumen is good enough to see the road. You can see the shape of the light from the tire, little bit of brightness. Then there is a focus area. So this light has a little torch like shape. So in the middle it is quite like a circular torch like shape. Even in far you can see that. So pretty much good to see the road. So pretty good to see the road. In fact, there is no issues. Only thing is that there is a point in the middle. That is the brightest part. So this is at 200 lumen. Now this is at 100 lumen. So in a very dark condition, 100 lumen is also good to see the road. If you are riding very slow, 15 km/h, I don't see any challenge. I can see the road properly. But obviously this light at 200 lumen can go up to 15 hours. So there is no issue in riding at 200 lumen. Even overnight you can ride. Absolutely no issues. This is the second mode, which is the low mode. You can use if there is a if you feel that the charge in the battery is less or something like that. And the third mode is the blinking mode. So in the blinking mode, this is basically for daylight, flash mode or blinking mode, whatever you call it. This is for day, to be seen with. That means other people can see you. And worst case, if you see that there is hardly anything, because in this mode this light will run for maybe 55 to 60 hours. So in worst case, let's say that very less battery you think is left and there is no other battery with you to replace, maybe this can be used, but obviously it's not recommended. So to see the road, either this one or this one. So let's go ride and see the road. So these lights are very helpful actually. Even when you are riding a cycle or bike, see, this is the pothole. The pothole, there are cars or two-wheelers which will come from the right side, from behind, and most of the time they push you on the left side of the road, and you will find a lot of potholes on the left side. In the night, if you don't have light, you may topple down or damage your bike, fall down and things like that. See, there is a pothole, and if I am on this street, this light is really helpful. So I can see the road easily. In the city, generally there are street lights, more or less. Somewhere you will find, somewhere you will not. But the moment you are out of the city, obviously there will not be any street light and things like that. Or maybe even in the city, in the smaller roads, it is difficult to find street lights. So this light is really helpful. So now Shefali will show how to put this Mako light. So here is this light. So first thing is that we can show it here, Shefali, on the screen. We have to turn this clip on this side so that this belt goes properly inside. Okay. If you don't pull it on the side, it will be difficult to put the belt inside. Yeah, go ahead. Through this, yeah, then pull it. There are 4 or 5 holes given, and it is little tough to put it, but once fixed, it is easy. Wait, just here,
on this handlebar, because here it is slim side, this is the thicker side. So on the slimmer side, on the second groove it is coming, there are two more given. So if the handlebar is large, if I have to put it this side, that also will work, because two more holes are here. Now once this is done, we can twist it back. Okay, and now this is a simple slide mechanism. You can slide it like this. I think this is little loose, so surely we'll have to put it on the first one. So it's okay for the time being, just to show you how it works. It goes fixed, and now it is fixed there. Now the good part is that anytime if you are walking into a restaurant and all, you don't have to take out the entire clamp and thing. It's like quick release. You just push this lever down slowly and then pull the light out. It is very easy. You put it in your bag and then you can go for coffee or tea, or if you have to go inside washroom or somewhere. So it's pretty easy to install. So tail light has three parts. This is the light, this is a clamp, and this is a screw. So basically यहाँ पे जो एक ग्रूव बना हुआ है, we have to put this light, ये जो इसका एक ग्रूव है उसको यहाँ पे डालेंगे, and then we'll screw it like this. Okay, let's do it on the bike, Shikari. So first we will put this clamp. Yeah, adjust your wherever you want to put it. So yes, so this is the groove. Put it, and then it's very easy. It just, you can adjust the place. This side, so if you keep it little loose, you can adjust the position like this or like this, depending on your requirement, and then screw it. So again, there is a small button behind this side. You just press, it changes to blinking, going up and down. Then this is the, all three lights are blinking together, and this is off. So this is continuous, this is line formation going up and down, this is the back one, and this is the third one blinking and off. So this is it. The installation is easy. It takes little time initially, especially the first the front one, because it is little tight to put it, but once done, the base remains on the handle, and only this you can take it out. So guys, I hope you liked the video. I tried to share all the details about this light, Mako 200. One of the best part about this light is the battery, the spare battery. You can keep multiple spare batteries with you. Even with one pair of battery, fully charged battery, it runs for 14 to 15 hours, which is very good, especially for long distance ride, 200 and above. You will have to ride in the night, and you need to see the road with and you have to have a light with you. In the long distance ride also, there are a lot of other variables like your food, your rest, then stretching part, taking care of other things. There will be chances of sometimes rains and things like that, so we need to reduce the variables. By that what I mean is that the lesser amount of unpredictable things, better it is. So with a rechargeable light, although rechargeable lights are also good, but obviously at the back of mind there will be, you will need to have power bank, you need to have something to charge it, because those lights run down very fast within 3 to 4 hours, and compared to that, this light runs for a very, very long time. You can have a spare battery with you, and if in case you run out of battery, then you can change the battery straight away rather than charging and all.
So in my view, that is the best part. Something which I don't like about, or something which could have been done better, is the strap, the light mount, the strap which is there, which goes on the handle. It is little clumsy, and it keeps dropping down on the jerk and all. So you need to have you need to put a little rubber or additional band inside to protect it and properly fit it on the tube, on the handlebar, or any kind of support which you are putting on the cycle. So that is one, and it is little bulky, obviously, because there is a battery which is going inside. So other than that, I think almost this is a very good light as far as my experience goes. So guys, once again, thanks for watching. We wish you all a very very happy new year again, 2022. Do well, take care of yourself, your family, your health, and keep cycling. I will be sharing a lot of content on this site. Thank you once again for your lot of comments, feedbacks and views on the videos which I have already shared. I will be sharing cycling related videos as well as photography, camera, product review and all, and I will try to keep posting on a regular basis. So good luck and see you again. Thank you. Thanks a lot.